Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week and a half ahead, and it looks like we will continue with at least some chance for some rain over the next couple of days as we slowly crank up the heat a bit across the Arklatex. You can see a mix of clouds and sunshine across the area right now. So far, this Monday afternoon rain has been rather limited. We likely will see a little bit of new development here later this afternoon, which will continue into the nighttime hours tonight. You can see the big disparity in temperatures across the region. Some locations where we've seen more clouds. Right now, the low 80s, mid 90s, 94 as I record this. The current temperature in Texarkana. Looking at the overall pattern, what we have right now is a big upper level ridge across the middle of the country. Within that ridge, we have a little bit of a weakness here across the lower Mississippi Valley that's allowing for the heat to generate the scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, we will see the activity begin to increase across the area later today, and that activity likely will continue into tonight. So here's a look at Robin Sawyer Futurecast, and you can see that the increase in these scattered showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon and this evening. We likely will see this activity gradually wind down after midnight tonight, as we'll see a mostly cloudy sky across the area. And then tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Again, that scattered shower or thunderstorm will be possible. Futurecast showing perhaps the best chance maybe over the northern half of the Arklatex tomorrow. We'll see that activity slowly wind down tomorrow evening. We'll see a partly cloudy sky tomorrow night, and then Wednesday, once again, that hit or miss afternoon thunderstorm will be possible. Otherwise, expect a partly cloudy sky and temperatures that will be pretty close to normal here during the next couple of days. Now, as far as rainfall potential, you can see this is the 2-day potential here from Futurecast, and you can see it does show generally light amounts across most of the area, but we could see where these storms do develop a quick inch or two of rainfall. That will once again be a possibility, but those areas should be somewhat isolated. Here's another model projection. This is from the HRRR model. Now, this only goes out 18 hours, but this is the very latest in model information, and you can see as we look at the rainfall projections from the HR that it does show perhaps a swath overnight tonight of that 1 to 2 inches, mainly over the southern half of the Arklatex. So again, don't expect much, but if you are in a sensitive area where heavy rain can cause some issues, be aware that that will be a possibility. And again, don't zero too much on location here. This actually could have happened pretty much anywhere across the Arklatex given the pattern that we have currently in place. Speaking of that pattern, there's going to be a change in the longer range as we'll continue to see that chance for the scattered shower pretty much each and every day. A little bit of a disturbance will begin to increase our rainfall chances probably this weekend some, not a whole lot, but again, instead of the 20% chance of rain, we may be looking at 30 to 40% this weekend. And then a big upper level ridge forms over northern Mexico that will extend into the middle of the country. If this does happen, we easily could see some of the hottest temperatures of the year so far as we go into the end of next week, with highs perhaps climbing into the mid to even upper 90s as a possibility during that time frame. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We are going to be looking at, again, the scattered thunderstorms gradually winding down, although they will be still have that capability of producing some locally heavy rain. We will see temperatures ease into the mid to upper 60s for nighttime lows tonight. And then tomorrow, once again, a few scattered thunderstorms will be possible, mainly during the afternoon, as we'll see highs climb into the upper 80s to lower 90s, pretty close to that normal, which right now is up to 89 degrees. 10-day forecast shows that we will see our next best chance of rain probably as we look ahead to the weekend, and then we'll dry out next week and heat up. You can see highs generally in the low to middle 90s through the weekend. By the time we get to the middle of next week, we very well could see lows warm into the low to middle 70s. Daytime highs could warm into the mid to upper 90s. So again, looks like not much change here in our weather pattern for the next few days. Maybe a little bit of an uptick in that shot for the scattered thunderstorm this weekend. And then we dry out and heat up dramatically as we go through the middle part of next week.